What is going on, guys? It is ProdigyFreebird brings another video right here on the channel. Today we got episode 25 of our Minecraft series for you guys. If you guys are new here, follow me on social media, guys. ProdigyFreebird on Twitter, ProdigyFreebird on Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat, AwesomeFreeman9 on Instagram, ProdigyFreebird on Facebook as well. And I do have merch, guys. If you guys want to support the channel, one of the best ways of doing so is www.buyandfire.com/people/store/ProdigyFreebird for all your ProdigyFreebird merch needs. So in the last episode, we had to save the sheep. In this episode, we're gonna rebuild the barn, hopefully. Well, it's not really built anyway, but we are gonna hopefully build the barn, and then we will hopefully get some more sheep back, and then we can start finishing that barn. We are gonna hold on to that right now. I'm gonna sleep. And then let's go down here. Do we have wheat? No. We probably should get these sheep back in there. And then we can start filling up that, come on. I guess I gotta do this. Bang. The sheep are well fed. Oh god. Look at this. Do I have my shears? No, I don't. Did I put them in here? I did not. I need to get more red sheep, eh? I am gonna actually build. We're gonna just use this episode as kind of making our base looking a little bit nicer. Getting ready to build other things, I think. Oh god, there's a creeper. That's okay. Joke's on that creeper. I was gonna rebuild this anyway. Not the red sheep. We can, I feel like we can build this. We start right here and then we'll just make this all even. Or some more hay so we can feed our sheep. So let's go do that. So give me 1 sec and we will be down there. Our food is growing. It does not look like it's quite ready yet down there. Don't I have bones? I don't want to use all of our bone meal yet though. Let's wait on that. Hopefully the food regenerates by the time we're done here. Oh, we should probably make shears right now. And then we can just keep adding the stuff to the chest. Yeah, we'll just shear all of them. Cool. So I'm thinking this is going to be our door. Something like that. So let's go over here. We'll continue. I'm really just going to keep extending this until we have it all the way around. And then maybe I'll put a door over on this side, but I definitely should build like a just a wheat farm on this side. Maybe I will do that over there, just to give our animals more food. Because I do run through wheat like it's nothing. Serious work. Yeah, this is not ready yet. That's fine. I think we'll just kind of go around here, build what we want, and then we'll go and fill it in. Perfect. If we could just get up to there, that would be nice. But I don't think we'll ever make it up there. I wouldn't say ever, but not in this episode. Yeah, we can use all that dirt up. I mean, we don't need it for anything else, so... Just so we don't lose all the rest of our levels, we'll do this. Perfect. At least now we have a little more room to maneuver up here, and then we can just fill the rest of this in. Perfect. We'll finish the rest up in a second here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, well, we don't have any dirt. Let's go get dirt. And then I think we're going to feed these guys after we get some more wheat. Let's get all of this stuff. We need a couple stacks for sure. Yeah. And for right now, just a small little one, like, this ain't gonna be small. Like there, that should work good. Oh, we don't have any iron now. Didn't we just use it all? I would like to cut this down completely. Just in preparation of us getting enough dirt for this area. And I'll probably have to finish this in the next episode, because there's no way we're going to be able to get this all done in this episode, but... Yep, we'll just pop that there. We don't have any wheat. Do I have the bucket? I do have a bucket. I'll take the cobblestone and we'll take a... We'll take 2 of those. we'll go down and get some water, and then we'll fill in some of that stuff we have in. We might as well replant some of that. I'll put that right there. This will almost be ready, so probably by the end of this episode that should be ready. I guess give me these because we can easily just bring them back. Perfect. So let's go get some water. We'll fill those in. Not an illager. Or dead. Let's go. Come on. We finally made it to the lake. Let's get the water and we will head on back. And I just want most of this to be ready, and then we can chop this down. But let's go sleep. Oh well, I guess we can't sleep. It is night. Let's go sleep, and then we can actually probably go down and get the wheat, and then we will get done with the episode. So, yeah, this is going to be nice when it's all done. Well, I guess it pretty much is all done, but we can go in here and actually shear these guys again. And then I guess I just want to feed them, and then we will call this an episode. We're slowly but surely getting enough red wool, so. And I will just go down here and close this off. And then I guess we will leave that there. And then we can get a little door right here on the way out, so that'll be nice when it's all done. We won't need any more light wool or light blue wool here soon. Perfect. And we still need more dirt. I don't think we have any more dirt in this whole place. Yep, we will definitely finish that in the next episode. And I also want to do something with this in the next episode. Perfect. But I think I am going to end the episode here. We have been recording for a minute. And then in the next episode, I do want to try to finish this barn. We probably won't finish it, but at least finish this bottom layer. We'll get a little roof on it, and then I guess we can see if we can feed these guys quick. And honestly, we have so much seeds left over that I might even go try to build a bigger farm somewhere. Let's do it. We'll get the sheep back up. Perfect, almost done. Perfect. And now, we'll, in the next episode, we'll shear them again and stuff, so we'll get a little more sheep. Honestly, what I want to do is I just want to find a couple more roses and dye them red. But we probably should do that in the next day. We'll do that in the next episode. We'll figure out how much they have once their wool grows back, and then we will dye them in the next episode. And once the color gets full, I guess, we'll just start dyeing the other sheep that we don't need that color. For example, like if once we have a full chest full of white wool or light blue wool, I'll just change them to a different color. So because we don't need 64,000 light blue wool sheep, you know. That's kind of what I'm thinking. If anyone has any ideas what I should be building with the wool, I think I'm going to do pixel art here soon. But any other ideas like that, leave them down below in the comments below. Perfect. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I think we will just find those roses in the next episode. Do I have any red wool in here? I do not. We'll keep the red wool on hand until we're done with that. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that follow button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.